our descent into Amravati. If you look out from your window, you will see the majestic Buddha Stupa lit up in all its glory, welcoming you to the Amravati Drone Summit. Please fasten your seatbelts, sit back, and take in the sights as we make our approach to the next frontiers of aviation.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have now landed at the Vijayawada International Airport, the city of the future, Amaravati, Vikasit Bharat, Vikasit Andhra Pradesh. This is where our Honorable Chief Minister's Vision 2047 begins. Give it up everybody for Amaravati!